A sailor made one mistake, and the sea took everything. It was a many and many a year ago, in a kingdom beside the sea, where the wind it howled through a spectral gale, and whispered her name to me, Annabel Lee, Annabel Lee, lost to the deep's decree. The ship sailed on through a painted sky, where idle winds lay still, till a bird of omen, white as foam, came gliding by our will, an albatross of ghostly grace, a sign we could not kill. But envy stirred in seraphs above, cold angels of the tide. They cursed the wind, they stilled the waves, and bound the sea in pride, for they coveted love that burned too bright between my bride and I. The mariner raised his fateful hand. A shot rang through the mist. The albatross fell to the endless sea. A sin the waves would twist, and all went still in a silent world where life and death coexist. Water, water, everywhere, but not a drop for me, as I wandered the decks, an awakening dream, chained to eternity, with Annabel Lee in the salt sea tomb, calling up from beneath. The moonlight danced on her pale cold face from under the rolling tide, yet I heard her voice through the ocean's roar, still calling me her bride, and the dead man's eyes, with a curse unblessed, turned ever at my side. The angels not half so happy in heaven went envying her and me, so they bound my soul to the wandering sea for all infinity, to tell this tale of a love undone by the curse of the deep and the decree. And so each night, by the moon's cold gleam, where the breakers sigh and flee, I lie down by the side of my darling, my life, my lost Annabel Lee, while the ocean whispers of sin and love, and what should never be. A sailor made one mistake, and the sea took everything.